Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to add phone numbers in Roblox. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Roblox application in your mobile device. Now let's wait for Roblox to finish loading. Once you are in Roblox, click on your profile. Click on the three dots on the bottom right this time, and then scroll down. This time, click Settings. Over at Settings, all you need to do is go and click on Account Info. Wait for it to finish loading. In here, under Account Info, you will find the contact number or the email address. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.